Hi everyone, welcome to Imaging Study. Today we are going to see a case of scrotal lipoma. A 35-year-old male patient came with the left hemiscrotal palpable lump. It was painless, but the patient was worried about that. So he went to the doctor and the doctor referred to us for further evaluation on ultrasound. Let's see what we have got on ultrasound. Here you can see the ultrasound images of the testes. You can see the measurement and both look quite normal in size. The echo texture is also normal. You can also see a little bit of collection in the right hemiscrotal cavity. Here's the color Doppler pictures. Now you can see the vascularity of both testes, which is also normal. Now let's look at the complaint side. Here you can see the upper part of the left hemiscrotum. The palpable lump is visible here. You can see an oval mass superior to the left testis, and the lesion is inside the scrotal cavity. It is not outside. You can see the scrotal skin over here, and the lesion is nearby to the cord. If you look at the texture, it is homogeneous with internal striations, and the striations are parallel to the skin. Also, the long axis of the lesion is parallel to the skin. If you compare it with the echogenicity of the subcutaneous tissue over any part of the body, the echogenicity and echotexture will be similar. It indicates that the lesion is of fatty origin. If you look here, you can see the lesion is also covered by a thin hyperechoic capsule. Let's put some Doppler. Here on color Doppler, you can see there is no prominent vascularity inside or surrounding the lesion. You can see some vascularity here, which is not any serious issue. So we have tried to compress the lesion and it slips out. The lesion is adherent to the cord, so we are suspecting it to be a cord origin lesion, which is much common in case of intrascrotal lipomas. So this is a case of intrascrotal lipoma. Here's the picture. You can see this lesion with internal striations. Here's the color Doppler picture, and you can see the measurement. It's around 2.5 centimeter long, which is definitely palpable. So in summary, the palpable swelling at the left upper hemiscrotum corresponds to an oval soft tissue lesion with internal striated pattern, indicating a fatty lesion within the left cavity near to the cord with an echogenicity similar to the subcutaneous tissue, and the lesion is bounded by a thin capsule. Color Doppler shows no prominent internal or peripheral vascularity. So these features conclude it as a case of scrotal lipoma. Now the take-home message. If you see an intrascrotal but extratesticular mass with internal vascularity and the lesion is adherent to the cord, it may represent an adenomatoid tumor, which is far more common. In such case, you can use the Doppler and you can see the vascularity to differentiate between adenomatoid tumor and lipoma. Usually the lipoma won't show you the vascularity, but adenomatoid tumor will. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and try to follow us on other social platforms. We'll try to post similar type of videos in near future, so don't miss them also. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.